Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Bryan in Louisiana, down in the bayou, on this Ranger RCI 99N2. Bryan will get you ready to go, bud. You hopped on the website, checked this radio out, and selected the Truckerized tune, which is basically the fully modded radio. Some things apply to some radios that don't apply to the other, but it makes it super simple for the end user to go ahead and make sure they've got every option possible. Most of that includes our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, widening of the transmit and receive, as well as an static 636 noise canceling mic, this tune-up report, and he wanted in the side of his radio, he wanted a 10 kilohertz jump put, so that's included in the price as well. There we go there. So if you're on 19, you want to go to 19A or the RC channels or alpha channels, whatever you choose to call them. There you go. So we're going to start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. So we're at 5 watts. And that's so if he decides to run a, I don't know, 8 pill, whatever, 12, whatever, he has full adjustability. 50 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, about 115 bird, 500 watt slug PEP. Hello, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. About 260 peak. And let's roll it all down so we can show you that from a 5 watt carrier that you'll still have 260 peak or better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got down. All right, Bryan, it's ready to come to you. Another big station in the bayou. We appreciate it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been truckerized. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.